What's up, everybody? It's Chase the Star from the Night Sky, and welcome to another Hot Wheels Monster Trucks unboxing and review video. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing Polar Bear. And without further ado, let's unbox this Hot Wheels monster truck. Alright guys, here is Polar Bear, and before we review this monster truck, let's go over this first. Alright, so name Town Hauler / Polar Bear. Truck type SUV, strength Apex Predator, crash attack Bear Hug, motivation to be the king of the north. And the other trucks we have is Torque Terror / Snow Owl, the 909, also known as the Wolf, and of course Town Hauler or Polar Bear, Podium Crasher / Lynx, and Dairy Delivery / Walrus. Alright, so here is Polar Bear, and this is easily the best Blizzard Bashers out of all of them. And I really like the blue tires that it has. It looks really good. And also we have the Polar Bear on here with a little bit of the Hot Wheels logo in blue here, with a bunch of claw marks right there, here, and a little bit of there. And also on the roof, you can see a little bit of the Hot Wheels logo, and you can see some bear paws on the top. That is a lot of good detail here. All right, so here's the front. All right, here's the other side. And this time, on this side, they only have a little bit of the Hot Wheels logo right here. And for the back, we have the word Monster Trucks in light blue and regular blue. I really like how they have a lot of good detail with this Hot Wheels monster truck. And also, it comes with this crushable car. It is white with blue dots on it. I love it because it's a Blizzard Basher. I really love it. And it looks really awesome. Alright guys, so that wraps up this unboxing and review video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.